Hey everyone, how's it going? In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to draw a cute Kawaii Turkey Surprise Fold. So I hope you follow along and enjoy this video today. Now to start off with our cute Turkey Surprise Fold, let's begin by folding our paper. I'm going to start by lining up the corners and giving it a nice fold right down the middle. Then I'm going to fold it one more time, giving it another nice fold. So it's kind of like a card or a bookmark shape. Next, when I open it up, I have these nice little guidelines that show me where I need to keep the inside of my drawing. And I always like to turn my paper this way so I can open it up for a nice surprise. Now to start off with this, let's begin by making our cute little turkey. So I'm going to begin right here, and I'm going to start by making a line that's going to curve up. I'll make a couple little bumps right here. And then I'm going to bring this down. Next, I'm going to bring this line down and then back up here. Next, let's make the face. I'm going to begin by making a black dot right here, and then a black dot right here. I'll make a little line across with a little V shape. Then I'm going to draw a little line that comes down and up for the gobble. Right here, I'll make a little V shape on each side for the wings. Then I'll make a little half of an oval shape for the feet. Now for the feathers. I'm going to draw a line that comes out and in. We're going to go right over the fold, out and in. Do the same thing here, out and in, out and in. Then I'm going to make a few more bumps right around here. Now, our next step is to open this up and draw the inside. Once we open this up, we have two halves of our cute little turkey. So let's begin down here. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to bring this line up. I'll make a couple bumps, and then I'll bring this down here. Next, I'm going to continue these feathers, so I'll just make some bumps right around here. And you can make as many bumps as you want to for the feathers. It doesn't have to be the same amount on each one. Now starting here, I'm going to make a line that goes in and out. I'm going to go in and out. I'm going to draw a line that comes across and then down and up. I'm going to make a little line that goes down and out for the gobble. And then I'm going to make a line that comes out here with a line in it for like a tongue sticking out. Now let's make another one over here. I'm going to begin by drawing a line that's going to come up. Put a couple little bumps on it, and then I'll bring it down here. I'm going to draw a line that comes out and in, and then out and in for the wings. I'm going to put a black dot here, and a black dot here. I'm going to draw a little oval shape like this, and then a line that comes down and up, and another one that goes down and up. I'll make a little curved line for the gobble. And a line right here for the foot that just curves around. Now, I'll make some little bumps that just come right around here for the tail feathers of my little turkey. So just make these come all the way around. Now let's make one over here. I'm going to begin by drawing a line that's just going to curve up. A couple little bumps for the feathers, and then we'll bring this down here. Put a little curved line out here for a foot. This one I'm going to make a line that comes straight across. Then I'm going to go in, down, and over. I'm going to come up and over, and then down, over, and up. Make a line that comes down and up with a little curved line for the gobble. And then I like to make a couple little diagonal lines in here. Right here, I'm going to make this line curve around and then up. And then this one will curve up here and curve up here. So it's like he's got his little arms folded. Then I'm just going to make some little bumps all the way around here for the tail feathers of this little kind of cool turkey over here. Next, right here, I'm going to make a line that's going to come up, put a couple bumps, and then I'll bring it down here. Now this one, I'm going to make a line that's going to curve around on each side for some heart eyes, and I'll do the same thing here. Curve around on each side for some heart eyes. We'll make a line across with a triangle for the beak, and a little line down for the gobble. We'll make a little line across here. Then we'll make some bumps right across here for the tail feathers of this turkey. And we'll make a little line that comes down and up, and then down and up. Now over here, I'm going to draw a line that's going to come up and then down. I'll make a half circle at the top with a line that goes up and down with a little line on each side. In this one, I'm going to make two little circles, and I'm going to color in most of this, leaving just a little bit white. We'll make the little upside down triangle shape with the little gobble. And then we'll make some bumps right around here for the tail feathers. And then over here, we're going to do one more. So I'm going to start by drawing a line that's going to come up, put a couple bumps, and then we'll go down. This one, I'm going to make a black dot for the eye. And then over here, I'm going to make a line across and then curve it up. So it's kind of like a little bit of a suspicious eye. We'll make the triangle shape and the little gobble. And then we'll make the bumps for the feathers, and just be careful that you don't accidentally cross that fold line. Next, I'm going to bring this line down, and I'll bring this line down. I'll make a little kind of triangle shape on each side, and then we'll curve in the side for the tail feathers. And there you go, there's your fun little turkey surprise fold. When we have it all folded up, I have the little turkey. Then when we open up, we see that there are a bunch of turkeys inside of there. I'm going to fast forward and start coloring this. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed.